Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Sorry if my voice kind of sounds a little different today. I was up coughing all night, and I don't feel the best, but I tried to put my best face on, and I have a pseudo unboxing. I had just taken a shower, and I got an email saying that my Tory Burch bag had arrived, so I've got a Tory Burch unboxing for you. And I boxed it back up because I'm sending it back. It's an epic fail. It was a bag that popped up on the website and it was on clearance, and I was able to get an extra 15% off because of Fat Coupon. I always link Fat Coupon down in the description box. It's a great way to be able to apply coupons you might not even know exist. I don't always check out through Fat Coupon. I often do another route to get more cash back, but I will copy and paste the codes that they find for me. They probably don't like me telling you that, but that's just how I do things. So I opened this because I was in my bathrobe and I really wanted to see it. And then I boxed it back up. I printed the return label already, and I just wanted to show you before I send it back, because I don't have a bag like this and I don't plan on getting another one. So I figure, why not show you? So my address is on the side facing me. So I'm going to show you. They had it packed like this, which looks really nice. When I opened those sheets of paper, inside the bag was in plastic, and then when I removed it from the plastic, which was sealed, the bag had tissue paper around it, and the tissue paper was just a thin layer that was taped around it, but it was done so where it fit this bag perfectly. I couldn't save the tissue paper because it had lots of Scotch tape on it. So I just put the bag back in the dust bag to return it. But this is the Eleanor bag, and this is in the diamond quilted Vachetta, and it is beautiful. At first glance, I looked at it and I really liked it. But when you look at it up close, you're going to see that it has wrinkling right here on the flap. And I don't like that. And I've said before to you on shopping vlogs that this bag is heavy, and it is very heavy. I'd say the thing that bothers me the most about this bag is that it's so wrinkled right there. And it's not like the leather's wrinkled in other spots, and that's just the nature of the leather. The other thing I didn't like is that there's several scuffs on the bag. And I can pop some pictures of the scuffs in right here. It's hard to capture them with the ring light because the ring light kind of blows them out. But I do think this color is fabulous. This natural Vachetta color, it's quite beautiful. One other thing I found out about the Eleanor bag, after I ordered it, I was researching it, which generally you should probably research beforehand, but they made the inside, which I always thought was leather since the Eleanor and the Lee Radswell bags are their premium line, but the interior is actually made out of either bonded leather or polyurethane, depending on which website you look at. And I really, really don't like that. I have a couch that has bonded leather on the back side, and the bonded leather flakes off, and I hate it. Like, I will never buy a leather couch again that's like partially bonded leather. Basically, they said it's leather everywhere you touch, but in the places you don't touch, then we made it out of bonded leather. Well, my couch is flaking off where the leather and the bonded leather meet, right at the edge of our reclining parts. So this bag on the inside is either bonded leather or it's polyurethane, and either one of those is prone to problems. But with it being the area that you touch a lot when you're getting in and out and grabbing things, I am just not confident with the wear and tear. I know there's lots of people who love the Eleanor bag, so maybe my fear is irrational, but I don't want to keep it knowing that. So they shipped it with the strap like a little wonky. They tucked it in to the bag. The department stores tend to take the strap off and roll it up, which is nice. But let me try this on for you. By the way, the top that I'm wearing is one you can get on Amazon for around $26. I can link it. I also got it in this blue color. It's a knit material, but I would say it's between like a long sleeve tee and a sweater in terms of weight, and it's very comfortable. The pleating on the sleeves are not super tight, and I'm wearing a medium. Generally, medium is the size I wear, and it's a little loose for me, but I like it like that. And so if you want a not super fitted shirt, I would suggest getting your normal size. So on the bottom, I'm wearing my joggers because I was up coughing and I just don't feel up to putting on jeans right now. But you can see it is a nice crossbody bag. It's very, very boxy and stiff. So for me personally, I like bags that are smooshier. But when I saw this quilted pattern with the Vachetta, with this brown, this beautiful cognac, I was really taken with it. So that's why I went ahead and ordered it. And I ordered it from the Tory Burch website, and I knew that they offered free returns. So if there was something that wasn't right, that I could just easily send it back. I probably would have kept it if it weren't for the wrinkles here, because I do not like little nicks from fingernails all over my bag. But this bag has a vintage feel to me. It kind of screams vintage, and so I could have lived with that. Actually, it's got suede in the crisscross parts, and I think that's really cool. Unlike some of the Eleanor, the sides are actually leather instead of suede, which I love, because I don't see the suede right here getting messed up. I mean, it's dark and it's kind of in the cracks. On the whole, it's a beautiful bag. It's not perfect for me, but I would have made it work if it weren't for this. I'm not sure what happened there, and it's just not pretty to me to have that look on this bag. These bags are known for being kind of very smooth, a very sleek look, and when it's kind of bent up like that on the corner, it doesn't have that appearance to me. So this one's going back, and I do have a few other things I wanted to chat with you about. The first thing is my bag of the day. This is the Jade Longchamp Brioche that I opened yesterday. This color is stunning, and I really wasn't sure about what I would wear it with, but when I started looking in my closet, I found multiple things. So if that would be something you would be interested in seeing, is what I would match with this bag, I would be happy to do that. But this is my first thing I would match with this bag, and that's my top that has the dark green and then the bits of light green heathered into it. I thought it was a pretty combo. And I've got an Effie ring on that's actually blue, but it sort of leans towards green. I love Effie. I got this last year. I doubt you can get it anymore, but it's a very pretty London blue topaz with baguettes, and it's set in a rose gold finish. So that is my bag of the day. And then I have one more bag that I am selling at the moment. And by the way, if I have a bag that maybe I haven't used in a while and you're interested in it and you ask me about it, sometimes I just might sell it. I have recently sold my Granite Cassie because I bought it and then I sold it, and then I bought it again, and then I never used it, and a subscriber reached out to me, and so I sold it because I hadn't used it, and I've owned it for more than a year. And then that same subscriber reached out to me again about a bag that I used to keep right there behind me, the Riley top handle with the signature with black trim, the Riley 22, and she asked me if I'd sell that. And so I have that boxed up and ready to send her way. So if you do have an interest, it never hurts to reach out. I might say no, but you never know. I might say yes. This is the only bag that I'm officially selling at the moment, and this is the Watermelon Tyler. And as you know, I get into these collecting frenzies where I want to collect colors in multiples of the same bag. And that's what happened here. This color is beautiful, but I prefer the black, the aqua, and the coral in this bag because of the straps that I have. And so I purchased this for $152.90, and it was new. I've removed the tags, but it still has this foam in there, and I would keep the insert for one of my other bags, but it still has this foam in there. And so I know I've never worn it because I would have taken that out. So this is never worn. I purchased it for $151.90, and I will sell it to you for $135 shipped if you're interested. This has a thin leather strap that it comes with in the same color. And if you're interested in a wider strap, I'm willing to sell this strap from See-Through Purses with the bag for a total of $160. So for $25, you could get this strap as well to pair with this bag. This bag retails for $295, so that would be a fabulous deal. And the strap retails for $38. So if you're interested in this combo, or perhaps just the watermelon Tyler with the strap it comes with in the dust bag, let me know. It's $135 if you are interested. You can reach me on Instagram. My name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase in the search bar. Or you can also email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. And I've already talked about Instagram, and I've already talked about my email. So I just want to wish you a wonderful day. And if I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care. Bye.